Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove tags from video in VN applications. So if you got unwanted tags on your video in the VN video editor, this is how you can remove it easily. So if the tags you added is just the tags tool that you use on VN and you want to remove it, you can just simply click on the tags and then here you'll see the delete button. So just like that, it will disappear from your video. But if the text is attached on the video like this, such as watermark or any text that you want to delete from the video, then you can use some of this method. The first one, you can crop the text out. So you can just tap on the video clip with the embedded text and then you can just select crop here at the bottom. And now you can just adjust the frame to cut out the unwanted tags. Like this. Now the tags will be disappear from your video. Next, you can also blur or cover with a sticker. So you can just tap on the video and duplicate it first. So put the one of the video to the PIP. So click on this and click on this PIP track. Now drag it so that it will be on top of the first video like this. Okay, next you can just add blur on the PIP clip. Click on it and then find blur options. Go to basic and adjust the intensity. Click on a check icon and then swipe until you find mask. This one, choose the rectangle. Now move the blur only to where the text is. Just like this, adjust the size. Okay. Tap on the check icon. Now the text will be blurred like this. And you can also just add stickers on top of the tags. So in here in the VN, you can just tap on this PIB and go to the stickers and you can cover the tags with the stickers that you want. Here, for example, I'm going to use this follow me option, sticker. Now adjust the size of the stickers and move it so that it covers the tags just like this. So now the tags will be covered. So guys, that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Now you're all set to edit like a pro in VN. But if you need more VN tips, you can let me know in the comment down below. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks. Bye.